welcome back. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And Luke, I'm Brandon, and this is Luca. He's my brother. And today we're going to do Dinosaur Hot Wheels racing. We have a track that I will show you. We also have cars. Luca's our cars are on the left, mine are on the right. And here we are going to show you this. Okay.
Mosasaurus,
Indoraptor, Velociraptor,
Raptor.
Gallimimus, Paleontologist, Carnotaurus, or Toast! Yes! We have right here, it is Stegosaurus, Spinosaurus, Triceratops, and the very cool Indominus Rex. Like, look at that, this is amazing. So, and the track said Luca got it, and it is right there. The challenge is we're going to be trying to do the longest jump, and whoever has the longest jump, well, they're going to get a prize. And do I know what the prize is yet? No, absolutely not. I don't. So, let us set it up. We will show you guys. I'll just set this right here. Okay, no. Okay.
Let me get up there.
And we also have lots more cars that we will be doing in maybe future episodes, or maybe in this one too a little bit. So I'll just set that right there.
Okay, first up.
And Luca will be going the first. Actually, I'll set these right here.
And
Luca's first contender will be Velociraptor. Here we go. Okay, so this is right here. Okay. And I will be going next. I will be putting in my Triceratops. Very cool looking Hot Wheels. Purple and like a reddish. Here we go.
I can race this one.
Oh! It went all the way over to the shark.
Next
It's right here.
Paleontologist.
Like, I don't even think you... Okay. Yes, a very nice one. It's actually not a Hot Wheels that it's from a set Luke got from Christmas, but it's also a very fast one.
And
It didn't even get there, guys.
And it's Ford.
You see that? It's right there. Yeah.
And it's Ford.
Okay. I will be
Can
putting...
you get him off the track?
Actually...
Oh, Brendan.
Wait, the last one was Stegosaurus. Never mind.
Brendan.
This one is Triceratops. You see those spikes and horns? Yep.
And Brendan, this goes into the loser's pile.
And here we go. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Hold on. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it just barely.
What's this one again?
Oh, remember that's Indo.
Indoraptor is coming up next.
Okay.
That was the loser's pile.
No, because well, it's probably not gonna win, but. Ooh. Okay, look. Pretty good. Indo got pretty far.
I only have 2 more cards.
I am putting in Spino. Yes, sir. I can't even remember the names. So you guys probably do, but I don't even remember which cards are which. Okay, it landed right on the slime. It landed right on the slime patch. You need to see this. Look at that. Those 3 are mine. This one's Luca's, and yeah, it's really nice. And
next up, what's this one called again?
remember that's Galley, I think.
Gallimimus. Okay, that was my last one.
I don't even remember what this is called anymore. Oh my! no, Luca's is so far. No, Luca.
I want to show
No.
them.
And we will show you guys later where every single one is. I don't even remember what this one is. Is this?
It was the
Um,
Spinosaurus.
No, I don't even remember.
Yeah, it
I'll
was the
I'll
Spinosaurus.
edit the video and we'll see. I literally don't even remember. Come, oh, jeez.
Okay, this is
Is
my
Luca really gonna win episode number 1? Guys, this is gonna be a series, so don't forget that. And I have the Beast Indominus Rex coming in at you.
And where was the T-Rex?
You didn't remember. You didn't name
No,
it.
this was the T-Rex.
No, Luca, remember it was.
That was the T-Rex.
No, you didn't name one that. Okay, here we go. Are you serious? Okay, guys, we will show you where they are. Okay, we have one of Luca's, Indominus, Luca's, mine, Luca's, mine, only mine, and Luca's. So, guys, it looks like Luca is the winner.
Wow!
So, Luca, we will hand you the prize next episode. If you guys liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And next time, don't forget to subscribe. And bye-bye!